day. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ivy Aladasma and my partner, Angel May Antonio. This time, I would like you to know that we were here at the famous Star Spot in Bingag, Tawis, Bohol, Hinagdanan Cave. And also, we were here at the mini restaurant of Alex Shakes and Delicacies. So, karon di ay is mangutana mi about sa pag-unsa nimo pagdala ang quality sa imong business. May mga questions din.
Oh, sige, sige. Yung si question number 1.
So, number one, how do you ensure the quality and consistency of your products before they reach customers?
Okay. One lang, we just follow standardized nga recipes using proper portion of measurements, conducting regular taste tests, unya, stricto mi sa proper hygiene, unya, maintaining sa equipment to keep the ingredients fresh, kanunay, and consistent. Kaya ram sabtan ba?
Thank you.
Ito lang, isagol Bisaya ha.
So, question number 2, Te. What steps do you take to handle customer complaints or feedback related to your product quality?
Bali, customer feedbacks and complaints. So, as ako, as owner, I listen attentively. Unya, mo mo take me og feedbacks sa customer seriously to para ma-improve among products and the same time among services. Mostly may offer big replacement or refunds nga na sa among customer if unsatisfied na sila.
Question number three. Do you have any specific standards or certification that guide your quality control process?
Yes. So may follow me og strict food, safety and sanitation guidelines. Mao nang naami sanitary permit para ma-maintain ang high standards sa food preparation and handling sa especially na po sa mga tao. Okay.
So, question number 4. How do you manage the sourcing and inspection of raw materials or ingredients to maintain quality?
You mean sa among materials nga gigamit sa negosyo. So, as ako, personally, mo select og reliable suppliers unya para ma-ensure ang quality ingredients sa quality nga sa ingredients ka among gina-serve unya mo-maintain po ta good ka ng relationship sa supplier para ma-ensure ang atong consistency sa business.
So, this is the last question. What challenges do you face in maintaining quality and how do you address them?
Maintaining quality of challenges. Number 1 is ingredients availability. Kay not all times ang among gigamit, so naamangoy ka ng sample sa among, especially shakes. So ang among prutas is seasonal. So ang among i-address na namo, so mangita mi og lain na pud nga supplier, di lang kayo sa ka supplier. So daghan mig supplier nga makuhaan kung wala na siya ng isa, so mangita mig lain. Unya pod usa pay lain to, si Boda Yubay. Challenges. Equipment upkeep na mo. Sample, among mga blenders, among mga oven. So, i-address na mo na siya kung ano siya kanang keeping nga. I-keep na mga equipment in good condition. So, inspecting na siya twice a month para makita na mo sa mga daot. So, among i-replace. Ma-addressan na mo ma-replacean. And lastly, staff consistency. So, ang ma-address na po na mo, i-train jud ang mga staff para well-organized with the rest sa store. Yan. Para to.
Thank you, Len.
Mora? Okay, thank you.
So, we will go with technology student learn our subject how to control